What up? What up? This is yours truly, Coach MJ Worthmore, CEO and co founder of EliteForexUniversity.com, the online platform that specializes in coaching, training, mentoring, and developing the most elite Forex traders in the world, period. And I want to break something down in this video for you to show you guys and gals how the members at Elite Forex University are catching massive moves on news days. We are not afraid to trade the news. And as a matter of fact, we use the news days where we have red folders to take advantage of the markets and catch some of our biggest trades. So I want to break down and show you guys, just to give you a taste of what the Elite Forex University members are getting on a regular basis, so that way you understand working with me, all glory to God, pays for itself. Okay, I want to show you guys and gals exactly how we called out this move today on the USD quote pairs. I'm talking EU, GU, AUD USD, NZD USD. I mean, literally, people came in and caught 100 pip candles in a matter of minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. And they knew the move before the move showed up because I broke it down step by step, piece by piece. As a matter of fact, if you look right here, this is the screenshot of me telling everybody to sell USD quote pairs because I saw something specific on the charts. But more importantly, it's not about what I saw on the charts. It's what I understood from the fundamental analysis and from the fundamental data that had played out from last week and what we were expecting the market to do this week based on new data as well as institutional order flow. Let me say it to you like this, plain and simple. If you don't understand fundamental analysis, smart money concepts, and institutional order flow, you are always going to be gambling. And here at EliteForexUniversity.com, we teach you how to have a fundamentally driven trade idea first, how to understand the areas where smart money and big money has gotten involved, and then how to read institutional order flow so that you can increase the probability of entering a trade in the right direction at the right time without getting stopped out. That is the magic to making money in Forex trading and in all trading. And we teach you exactly how to do that step by step. And we do that in a way where kids can understand. So if my 12-year-old son can understand what I'm talking about, you definitely can too. So I want to go ahead and cue this video to show you guys and gals exactly how I broke the market down before the move even happened and literally what happened as soon as the news came out. Okay, so cue video. My stop loss on EU is 1.0873. 1.0873 is my stop loss. 1.0873.
Did you do any of the other ones? I did GU.
I entered EU, GU, and NZDU because I feel like NZDU gave that fractional disparity out last night from the interest rate decision. So I'm waiting for it to see, but we need the dollar to rally. So my stop loss on EU. My stop loss on EU is 1.0873. My stop loss on GU is 1.2705.
270. Okay, that's the same one I did.
1.2705.
And what did you do for NZD?
For NZDU, I put my stop loss at, where's my stop loss at? On NZDU. 0.6106.
0.6106. Okay, cool.
Yep. 0.6106. Okay. So for the DXY, I'll give you guys a quick breakdown, very quick, because we got news in 5 minutes, so we can come all the way out. So first and foremost, NFP candle, right? So NFP was this long candle here that you see me hovering over, right? We did not take out that high. We see that price did push down and sweep sell side liquidity. It even took out the liquidity from Thursday. So it took out that liquidity. There was an M15 two candle pullback here that had not been mitigated, right? And it's this bad boy right here. This was a fractal pullback. This sell to buy real quick had no mitigation on it, and price came down yesterday and tagged it, right? Shot down yesterday right here. Sorry, hold on. Where's that? Yep, yeah. So shot down yesterday, tagged it, right? And then pushed up and gave us a small change of character, M15 change of character right here. So, or small potential, use the word potential, MJ. Small potential change of character, with price closing above 104.113, right? So when I saw that move and I saw that, it hit 1.104, basically 1.2, I was like, okay, cool. That's a small change of character. So what I'm hoping for is that price will pull back into this area of demand because this will be our last down candle before it up move. Hoping that price pulls back to demand, shows respect to 104, and then puts the rocket on. But we know we need good core CPI numbers, and we need good strong CPI numbers year over year to make that bullish and then give us the confirmed break a structure. So the price point we're looking for today, if the dollar is going to rally, is a close above 104.198, right? That means we would have that M15 chop, the pullback, and then the M15 buys. If we get the M15 buys, we should expect another pullback into 104.2, and then the second buys, and that'll let us know that we did catch the tiger, right? That's the reason why I did go short on the USD quote pairs. So this next 4 minutes, we shall see how these things print. Good morning to you, Mike. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you feeling?
Fantastic.
My man, my man, my man. Excuse me, last night, NZD USD came out with the, just to give you a quick recap, NZD USD came out, kept keeping their interest rates the same. So that gave us that bullish reaction rather, right? Keeping the interest rate at 5.5, created this liquidity up here, took that liquidity out. Now we're looking for price to break down and close below it, and that'll let us know that NZD USD is dropping that well.
I'm in an NZD JPY buy since last night. Green.
You're in the NJ buy. Okay, good stuff.
Yep.
I mean, if the dollar
got it at 9196.
Good stuff. That's a good trade. We were looking for NJ to pull back a while ago, but that thing's just been running. So NJ is probably going. It's more than likely going to keep running because if the dollar goes strong and UJ goes strong, it's going to keep pushing up. It's definitely it should keep pushing up. Let me see. Stop loss on GU once again. For somebody just asked, where's my GU trade? Did I close it up by accident? Here we go. Let's do this. Put your stop loss on GU. Did spread open up? That couldn't have happened. You know what? Let's do this. For GU, let's put the H4 on. Let's see what that is. We've got 2 minutes. I originally had my stop loss just above 1.2706. I think that just got ran. That's why that position closed. Okay. So let's leave UG alone. GU is despairing right now. Let's leave it alone because it may fill this imbalance and then drop. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see if it fills this imbalance, and then we'll catch it on the drop. Set an alert on GU for a close below 1.26882 on the M5.
Okay, so we want to close GU because I'm still in that. I didn't run my stop loss.
It did not run your stop loss?
Mine is at 1.2705.
Then spread opened up on mine and took me out.
Oh, okay. I'm not crazy. Okay. I was like, what? How did yours get stopped?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's spread must have opened up, but yeah,
Okay.
it'll probably fill this imbalance. But set an alert for a close below 26882, so that way we know it's doing the right thing. All right, dollar news should be coming out in just a sec, y'all. Let me get Forex Factory up. Let me increase these numbers. All right, let's see what we get, gang.
One second. Look, I'm over here at the charge holding eggs. Like,
come on and bounce out of this thing. Come on and bounce out of it. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. That's what I wanted to see. It's almost like we know what we're doing, gang.
Yeah.
Who's blue?
I'm blue. Very blue.
Good stuff.
oh my God. I just looked at the damn, okay, I'm hella blue.
I
took an NU and 2 EUs.
Good shit.
Damn, my NZJ went from profit to red though.
Yeah, I don't like that. Let me see.
Yeah, sorry, it's only down like $30, but
I would get out of it. It's pulling back.
all right, I'm out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I jumped in on I had a limit set on US 30.
Damn, look at that drop candle.
Mm-hmm. You get it limit on US 30? Woo! Jesus Christ. Yo, that's actually quite funny. Did you? So wait, your limit order activated, right?
Actually activated here, closed out my damn TP.
Damn. Go ahead and get money, Mike.
Coach, do we have a take? I had a take profit yesterday for EU. It's already blown past that. So what's yours at?
My take profit for EU is to break a structure.
Okay.
1.06654.
So I'm very proud of myself because I didn't freak out and I just kept trading. Went down.
Growth.
I'm
Growth.
so proud of myself. You didn't even hear that. You didn't even get a text message. I said no.
Growing. I make a good trade. Good stuff.
Oh man, because you know normally I'd be like, oh my God. You've done
What's
this.
your TP for NU, coach?
I don't have one.
Me neither.
I don't. No, I do. My TP for NU is 58939. I'm trading everything to the 27.2. I was waiting for CS for CPI to confirm what we already thought.
5839?
58939.
939.
Yeah.
I heard Sky was trying to hear that too. So
that's all good. So y'all remember Friday was NFP, and NFP told us what was going on. So like all of this that happened was just the manipulation, which it literally was just all BS. So we see what's happening. It's running. It's about to run NFP's high. So it swept that low. So that was a sell side liquidity sweep of NFP, and now we're going for buy side. But the overall direction for the dollar is up. And we just had to wait for the liquidity sweeps to finish. If we look at CPI real quick, CPI month over month core came out above forecast, so it's still sticky. CPI month over month came out above forecast, it's still the same, so it's also still sticky. But CPI year over year came out at 3.5, up from 3.4, and that was already expected to be bullish. So we know that long term, that's the thing that the Fed is paying attention to, and we see that with the core CPI and headline CPI still being sticky in alignment with all of the bullish data that we got from NFP. The dollar is going to continue to buy. Investor sentiment has shifted more towards risk off because inflation is not under control. It's still stubborn. So the central bank likely will not be able to cut rates in June. This is not the kind of numbers that the central bank wants to see in order to be confident to cut rates. So I'm expecting the dollar to continue to move to the upside. Now we do have the buy side sweep, so expect a pullback. This whole volume, all the volume on that candle, expect some pullback, probably 50% of it. So if you like your number, if you caught a big ass candle because you entered when I told you to, if you like that number, take your bag or take a partial and move your stop loss into break even or profit. If you like, nah, I want to wait this thing out and let the order flow continue to play, then don't watch the position, go have some coffee and have a great day.
Cool.
Who's got questions? Sips coffee for effect. So as you just saw, that is what the traders at EliteForexUniversity.com are absolutely used to. They're used to being in the live markets with me, trading live accounts. And as you saw, there were people who made $3,000 in a day, $2,000 on their funded account, $500 in 5 minutes. I mean, it literally does pay for itself. Membership and mentorship pays for itself when you are working with somebody that knows what they're doing and consistently does it at a high level week after week after week. I'm not bragging, but what I'm letting you know is that you have a coach, a trainer, and a mentor that is dedicated to this craft, dedicated to learning and mastering the markets, understanding the fundamental drivers, but also understanding institutional sponsorship, institutional order flow, investor sentiment, knowing where there is volume, knowing where the liquidity is. Like, these are the things that I dedicated my life to learning and mastering so that not only could I be profitable in the financial markets, but so I can help more people be profitable as well. If you want to get more trades like this, if you want to get more value, more sauce like this, then simply go to www.eliteforexuniversity.com. And there's a whole bunch of ways that you can join the community. I personally think that one of the best ways to join the community is to enroll in one of our Elite Forex University memberships, and specifically get the Gold Elite membership so that way you can have access to the highest level of education, okay? As it stands right now, with this video right now, the Gold Elite membership gives you access to the live trading room where you actually don't just get the information, but you get to experience a transformation because you are trading with me on a daily basis, okay? Now, the live trading room is actually going to be getting removed from the Gold Elite membership in a couple of weeks, and it'll be getting added to the Diamond Elite and the Platinum Elite memberships. But as it stands right now, you can still get a Gold Elite membership with EliteForexUniversity.com, and you can trial it for 2 weeks for $1. Now, let me say this, by the way. If you know that you can't afford the membership, please don't sign up for the $1 trial, because in 2 weeks, you're just like, hey, can I cancel? And then I got to go through the headache of having my team cancel your order. And if you know that you're not in that place right now, please don't get a membership. Please, I don't want your dollar. But if you know that you're somebody that is actually willing to do the work, willing to stick and stay, willing to commit and rock with us as we go through this process of compounding accounts, passing funded challenges, and making 5- and 6-figure withdrawals from the markets, then by all means, see what Elite Forex University is all about. Take advantage of the offers, lock into the education, allow me to coach you, mentor you, train you, and develop you, and turn you into the elite Forex trader that you are called to be. All right? I hope you found value in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and be blessed. Peace.